好的，同学们，大家好，我们会进入 unit 2，OK，英文 unit 2。然后呢，接下来的呢，我们就会停一下，进入考卷。OK，unit 2呢，今天我们很简单，同学们，首先你必须要完成E1、E2 ，OK， 然后E3到E4 ，OK，E4 呢，我可以让你看一下这个部分。凡是老师 highlight 起来的，就是我们选的答案。只有2个我是撇掉的，就是 C 跟 F， 其他的呢都是答案。OK， 所以你做的时候呢，基本上我不介意，凡是 highlight 起来的都是答案，你可以作为一个小参考。OK， 这个没有啦，这个没有特别 highlight 起来的答案，只 highlight 题目起来。OK。然后你就会看到第一面，老师也是有 highlight 起来一些的 keyword， 就确保呢你能够透过这些 keyword 呢，能够去对正确多一点点东西。OK， 好，你必须要完成这3面半，不是4面，3面半的练习，才接下去以下的批改，好不好 ？OK， 好，我们来看看啊，第一题。开心 wrote the message to 什么呢 ？Explain why she will not at home early。他这边讲什么呢 ？Dear Mom, Rashini will be coming by this afternoon to pick up her running shoe. She left them in my room after our jog yesterday. I'll be late as I have to attend a health talk in school. Please pass them to her. OK，explain， 他是 explain 他没有回家吗？不是。他是交代他妈咪 Rashini 的鞋子留在他的家，昨天他们一起跑步，但是他赶不及回去，因为他在学校有一个 talk， 所以呢他叫他妈咪 pass 他的鞋子给 Rashini， 所以这边呢明显答案是 get her mother to pass Rashini her running shoe。 OK， 所以答案是 boy。 来到了这一边，这边有什么呢？就 swimming school open daily 7点到10点 mermaid swimming lesson every Tuesday and Thursday 6 to 8 mermaid swimming lesson are before lunch on Tuesday or Thursday， 有写没？没有啊，6到8 before lunch 啊，这个是 dinner time 了咯，对不对？ on Tuesday and Thursday in the evening， 明显哦， Tuesday and Thursday in evening。 OK， 好，然后Baobab 3名字啊 provide fruit, shelter, cloth and fields。 OK， 所以这边的 Baobab 3 is most likely known as tree of life because it provides food, fields, clothing and shelter， 因为它简直就是给我们很大量的食物啦，有食物啦，有燃料啦，有那个衣服啦，有避难所啦等等的，它简直就是我们的生命的树啦，对不对？答案是 C。 然后 Hi Alan, my brother is doing a demo on fitness day, the latest exercise machine at our house tomorrow at 2 p.m. If you want to discover a fun way to exercise, feel free to drop by. That's tomorrow, the demonstration is at 2 p.m. 它是在 Alan's house 吗？不是啊，这是 Hazmi 邀请 Alan， 怎么会在 Alan's house 呢？ For Hazmi's friends only， 他没有讲啊，谁都可以参加。OK， 所以 at 2 p.m. 正确的答案。然后这一边 Can you tell Uncle Meng not to pick me up from school today? I don't have his number. I'm staying back to complete my herbal garden project. Hi sister， 就是他要他姐姐告诉 Uncle Meng， 他不用去学校载他，就这么简单。Siva is texting his sister to tell Uncle Meng not to pick him up from the school today， 这么简单啊。然后这边讲的 You are cordially 就是诚恳的，非常有诚意的。OK，invite to join。OK，us this Sunday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. for a car-free day。然后呢，就在 Malacca Center, there will be many stores and fun activity for everyone. Invite your family and friends too. We hope to see you there and we appreciate your support. 我很感谢你的 support。他主要 email Adela 是 support car-free Sunday by attending the event. Car-free Center by car-free 这个 support car-free Sunday by attending the event. C 啊，好，来到了下一题，这一个呢 ，the lost cat。The lost cat is called Reddy， 它的名字叫 Reddy 啊，没有啊，这边没有写它的名字。Called Reddy 是它的主人 ，Randy 不是 Reddy，Randy 是它的主人。Is 1-year-old male British short hair？ 它有写吗？这边 1-year-old， 12-month old， 1-year-old 好像不错哦。然后 British short hair， 那它有写男的女的吗？没有。所以你不可能乱给人家性别。We're missing 13 March， 答案是 C。OK， 所以人家没有写，你就不要乱写人家的性别。这个 icon 是 for 什么的 ？Reminds consumer to recycle。就这么简单 ，recycle 的 icon 吗？这个 OK， 好，我们 carry on 啊。A dog's tale. My name is Wolf. Let me tell you my tale.Okay, my tale 说了咯 my tale 我的故事 Many people think that dogs have a great life. Okay, and this is not always true. 这边是用 and 咩？应该是用 but。他说每一个人都想哦，这个狗哦，它有很好的 great life. But this is not always true. But 第一题 but 啊。If we are lucky enough to get an owner who treats us like his or her own children， 如果我们很幸运的遇到一个主人，对我们好像对他的孩子这样 ，then we'll be pampered and well cared for. However, most dogs have an interesting life. And I was going to tell you, I was 是错了咯。I am going to tell you， 从头到尾都是 present tense 嘛 ，My name is 对吗 ？Let me tell you 对吗？所以是 I am going to tell you am， 不是我是 am going to tell you why. First of all, we get bored. We got bored stay indoor. We get bored staying indoor. ing staying indoor. We did 是错的 ，We do nothing. Present tense 吗？We do nothing， 这个加 ing， 这个 do nothing， and then all day while our owners are busy， 一整天没有东西做，一整天被锁在 indoor 里面。They are either working, attending school, or away from home for all day long. So we 不是 us 啊 ，we end up staying home to watch over the house or apartment. We have to ensure that there are no breaks.In during our watch. When our owner returns home, we get exciting. 应该是 excited. We get excited. Exciting 呢，就后面还必须要有字。OK， 好 ，excited 就是 ing 拿走加 ed. We bark and run around as we were very happy to see them. 什么 in see them？ 就钻进去里面见他们。OK，to see them too. We do this in the hope that our owner will take us out for a walk. Then there is method for food. We eat some food. We eat the same food every single single meal 不是 meals same food 365天吃的东西都是一样的。OK， 如果你有特别的日子呢，你才会有骨头吃。OK， 不然就是吃狗粮，所以他们是吃一样的东西的。OK， 所以答案啊就这么简单，这个没有 S 啊 single 了嘛，人家已经讲了。OK， 好，来到了我们看，这是一朵花，这是一朵会使你麻痹的花。OK， 我们怎么知道麻痹呢？里面有一个字叫 paralysis 啦 paralysis OK， 这个叫麻痹的意思。这是一朵很漂亮的花。OK， 首先我们来看。Also known as， 我们找这个 keyword 看到吗 ？Also known as 什么呢 ？Moonflower, Ginseng-weed, thorn apple。OK， 所以你写答案的时候，你不要写 and 啊 ，Moonflower, Ginseng-weed 逗号，这两个字不要 and 的不要啊 ，thorn apple。 OK， 然后 number of species。Number of species 是 9 species， 9咯，你就写 9咯。然后 where there are found， 他们可以在哪里找到 ？Where there are found F-O-U-N-D， 看到吗 ？Temperate and tropical country， temperate and tropical country。OK， 这边我们已经讲了，不可以多过3个字嘛。Temperate and tropical country 是已经多过3个字了。OK， 所以你要怎么处理呢 ？Temperate 逗号 tropical country。OK， 然后第4题 ，maximum height 最高的第4题 2 meters in height， 2 meters 就好了 maximum。OK， 然后到了 width of the leaves， 它的叶子的宽度可以去到5 to 18 centimeter 就好了 ，5 to 18 centimeter。紫色这个啊，然后 dead lizards OK part 会使你晕倒死的部分是它的 seed and flower especially deadly OK seed and flower 它会造成你什么事情呢 OK hallucination and psychosis OK 这2个呢是什么意思啊？这个是精神，好像精神病这样咯，这个是幻觉的意思。幻觉，它会使你产生幻觉 ，OK， 所以你看到啊，7、8，答案第一个是7 ，causes blah blah blah， 第8题的是 causes blah blah blah，OK， 你写答案的时候，第7题你要写这个啊 ，cause blah blah blah， 这个然后第8题也是 cause blah blah blah，OK， 好，搞定啊，东西不难啊，同学们，没有想象中难啊 ，OK。The line of the shipping gatherer OK 这个是那个我们讲的一个人物 OK 其实如果你不读这篇文章你去找它的 keyword 重复的字基本上你一定找到答案的哦 OK 比如说你看 before working as a web content writer OK Shelby worked as a photojournalist OK photojournalist for China and Co 写到这边咯 photojournalist for China Chennai and Co OK 然后呢他这边再写Shelby's office sent her to Gil National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary in Gujarat OK 你把它写进去咯很长一下啊National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary in Gujarat 是一个字来的，因为它是一个特别名词。OK， 然后呢 ，What were some of the rare species of animal shellfish saw there？ 它可以看到什么很 rarely 的 fauna species 啊 ？Pangolins, sandcats and blackbirds。OK， 这3个是第3题的答案咯。OK， 1、2、3个东西。OK， fauna 就是动物的意思啦哈，这边他没有写 animal， 他写 fauna， 就是我们要知道啦 ，flora 就是植物 ，fauna 就是动物啦。OK，Shelby living in a tree house， 我就写咯 ，a tree house。OK， 就这么简单，你看重复的字嘛。OK， 然后 what time did the encounter with the poachers take place？What time 他们见到面呢 ？Portrait 看到吗？这个 face to face with 3 armed poachers not far from their camp. At noon 2个答案哦，你可以写 at noon 或者是12 p.m. 都接受。OK， 然后这边讲的 was shot by poachers OK poachers who managed to escape。谁 shot by 哦 ？OK， 这边讲的来哪里呢？ The one foreigners OK 你看到这边可以写 one foreign rangers 第6题的答案没有很明显 foreign rangers Echo Buddhist a natural trail group was founded by Shelby to spread the word of wildlife conservation. OK, to spread 看到这个字吗？也是 keyword 啊。 the world of wildlife conservation. Through eco-Buddhist blah 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 forest rangers provide forest rangers with better protection. Better protection 这是一个，另外一个呢就是 more sophisticated weapons。第一种答案可以被接受的是 better protection， 另外一个答案被接受的是 more sophisticated weapons。然后这边呢 caught in red hand 被抓了嘛，对不对 ？red handed 啊，这边写，你就照着写 red handed 哈，一样的字，不要改它的字。The protection of the natural environment conservation 第10题。看起来不难啊，同学们 ，keyword 都在，你看到吗？你要抓紧，不是说你不懂意思的问题，是你要去找那个重复的字，这东西就很好处理了。好，来到了E4最后一个部分。这是我们进入考卷前最后一份练习，把它完成了哈。Talking with animals. Humans have been talking with animals for as long as we can remember. From the time ancient shepherds call out to their flock of today to today's pet owner. 从以前的那个牧羊人去叫那个羊跟羊沟通 到现在 pet owner 宠物的主人 who speak with their dog or cats 然后第一是什么呢？第一明显是什么呢？ The ability to communicate with animals can help us understand our pet and their relationship with us. A 是这样子啊 The ability to communicate 因为我们讲到 speak 了嘛 However 所以第一题的答案是 D 咯。然后 However it's impossible to teach animal how to use human languages because they do not have right kind of vocal organs needed to speak them. 然后 So what can we do to help us communicate with animals? What can we do to help us communicate with animals? 我们可以做些什么？ One way for us to learn their language, for instance, today's dogs can successfully signal their state of mind to human by barking. 所以第3题，然后你就会看到说，今天的狗啊，就是用来吠那些主人啊，其实它不是吠啊，它会认得那些主人。Scientists have discovered the function of roar of barking。我们讲的 barking， 就是它的吠来，就是它的叫声啦。所以这个讲到叫声，就这边的叫声咯 ，G 咯，第3题对吗？然后 for instance, the bark of strangers， 他看到陌生人他会吠。然后 these basic difference are generally understood by most humans, including those who do not live with dogs, as well as children who are about 8 years old in order. 这个是谁都知道的咯。它的意思就是这样子啦。然后第4题是 This understanding between humans and dogs, 第4题是 E 啊 may be based on the link between the pitch and signs. 然后Both human and dog used to high-pitched sound. 有时候我们跟狗狗讲话，是跟猫咪讲话的时候，比如说猫咪很喜欢听咪咪咪咪咪这个字，所以通常我们讲咪咪嘛什么妈咪等等咪咪咪，那个猫就会走过来咯，就这么简单。狗狗呢也是，只要我们有一些声音，我们跟它讲话的时候稍微声量提高一点，这边讲 high-pitched sound。Which are generally associated with smaller, non-threatening animals in friendly situations. This normally happens when we are talking to baby or young children. 我们跟小 baby 讲话的时候，只要我们提高那个声音，我们也会有同样的效果。然后来到了第5题，第5题是 hatch 啊。这一篇的确比较难一点点。第5题是 hatch， 如果你自己随便猜都猜对1个到2个啦啊，你给自己掌声一下哦。Perhaps some days we will able to learn animal language just as easily as we can learn other human languages. 然后第6题 When that day comes, maybe they will tell us what they really think about us. Until then, we can only do our best to figure out their needs. 所以养宠物不是一件容易的事，你还要学会跟它沟通。好，就这么简单。整体的答案，第1题是 D， 第2题是 A， 第3题是 G， 第4题是 E， 第5题是 H， 第6题是 B。OK， 好，这一份结束。OK， 然后呢，我们下一堂课呢，我们就是进入考卷了。OK， 谢谢你们。